Guys, so we're right outside. This is one of the Go stations, Mimico Go, and inside there you can actually buy tickets using the Go, or you can actually use the Presto card, which is what we have, one of these cards, and you can fill up money in the card, and then basically you beep it when you enter the station and before you go on to the train, and then when you come off the train to your destination, then you beep it back again on that side, and basically it will decide how much money it's spent. But usually speaking, it's about $4.40 for a trip. But I heard that the trip depends on the distance that you make. So for example, if you're going from Mimico to Union, it will charge you $4.40, and then when you beep it off, you get back $2.20. So you only pay $2.20, which is kind of good. So I hope that this helps you out a little bit when you're in Canada and you're visiting Canada and you have to use the system. Sorry, okay. So we're actually on the train right now, the Go train, and probably see outside there. And basically, what I wanted to say was that in order to use the Presto card, you have to initially pay. You have to press the Presto card before you enter onto the train at the actual station, and then when you actually reach your destination, then you also tap off the Presto card. Now this is a bit different from TTC because TTC only allows you to press it one time. So essentially you could stop trains, you could jump the trains, but it's different for TTC than Go. With the Go, you get charged based on distance. According to what you said, you get charged based on distance. So if you forget to tap off, basically it could charge you more on your next trip. So that's just a little tip when using the Presto system on the Go side of things. Stay tuned for more. I'll be explaining a little bit more as we go along. So just a little tip, right? So bye.